In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Meta Business Manager, formerly known as Facebook Business Manager. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketing professional, setting up Meta Business Manager is an essential step in managing your business presence on both Facebook and Instagram effectively. First off, let's get started by navigating to business.facebook.com/overview. This is the main page where you'll initiate the setup for your Meta Business Manager account. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create an account. Go ahead and click on Create an Account. It's straightforward and intuitive. You will be prompted to enter some basic information, which includes your business name, your name, and a valid business email address. Make sure the email you use is one that you frequently check, as it will be crucial for communication and notifications from Meta. Once you've set up your account, the next step is to add your business page. If you already have a Facebook business page, you can simply add it to your Meta Business Manager account. This allows you to manage your page's activities, post updates, and engage with your audience all from one place. If you haven't set up a business page yet, you'll have the option to create one during this process. After adding your business page, it's time to add your ad account. Your ad account is vital because it's where you manage advertising campaigns, monitor their performance, and control budgets. If you're working as part of a team, you'll definitely want to invite other people to collaborate with you at this point. You can do this by sending them an invitation through their email, allowing them specific roles like admin, editor, or analyst, depending on what their responsibilities will be. With these essentials set up, it's important not to overlook the advanced settings. One of the crucial settings is security. Here you can configure two-factor authentication for added safety. This step is highly recommended to protect your business assets from any unauthorized access. Additionally, to enhance your business presence and streamline communication, you can connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Manager. This integration will help you manage your interactions and advertisements seamlessly across both platforms. Finally, if you have a website, you should consider setting up a Metapixel. A Metapixel is a small piece of code for your website that allows you to track conversions and optimize your ads based on collected data. It's an excellent tool for measuring the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your Meta Business Manager. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing and growing your business's online presence. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.